I had probably a 3-year extended period of deteriorating knees. They just got to where I had been able to work out and run. Then the pain got to be such that no, you couldn't run anymore. And I could jog, and then it got to where I couldn't jog. At one point, I finally tweaked one of the knees, tore some more cartilage, and then I was looking like the mummy for about 7 months. It was horrible.
There are 3 compartments in the knee. There's the inner knee, there's the outer knee, and there's the compartment behind the kneecap. When patients have arthritis in 1 or 2 areas of the knee, they're candidates for robotic partial knee replacement. Osteoarthritis of the knee is very common. Often patients have activity-related pain, but later it can progress to having pain at rest or pain that even wakes them up from their sleep.
Went to see Dr. Tolson, a very personable guy. He x-rayed both knees and looked at it, and he said, well, I got bad news and worse news. Bad news is it's really true that you did tear some more cartilage in the knee. The worst news is, even if I repair that, both knees have substantial osteoarthritis, and doing the arthroscopy now is really not going to give you the relief that you're seeking.
Steve was a unique case. He was a 64-year-old gentleman with osteoarthritis of both knees. His arthritis was confined to both the inner aspect of both knees. So he was a great candidate for getting bilateral knee replacement using the robotic technology. Steve is incredible. He is back to his active lifestyle. He has no pain, he has no limp, and his incisions are very small. You could hardly see them.
I'd say it's been a grand experience. I will never again take for granted walking without a limp. You just don't realize all the things that you give up when you're walking around in pain and dragging a leg. It's not any fun, and all that's gone. I can get in and out of cars, I can go up and down stairs, I can do pretty much anything I want to do now.